Just got the Marvel undercounter fridge and it keeps beeping.
Hello and thanks for using this service. If you have been waiting, do not worry or get upset. I am just one of the techs on here and I try to get to as many customers as I can, and I just picked up your question now. Please give me time to respond, as typing, researching and adding links takes me time to do so. Please be patient and often I will ask you questions to narrow down the issue to get it diagnosed correctly. Is it cooling properly?
It is fine. I just got it 2 weeks ago. I reset it but it keeps beeping.
Have you tried to unplug it for a couple minutes and plug it back in?
I would have to pull it out. It is in the island.
Can you just turn the breaker off to it?
Did it? Stopped beeping.
Great. If you are not happy with the service, please let me know before leaving a negative rating. This is the only way I am paid or credited through the site for my time. This will also allow you to get directly back to me for free. Follow-up questions and tips are greatly appreciated. Thanks.
It started beeping again.
Okay, is the door switch working?
I fixed it.
Okay, what had gone wrong? The switch?
No, just a tapas.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.